So guys, finally I found a platform where you can use Claude Fable 5 completely free of cost. So now let me just show you first. So click on auto and here you can see there is GPT 5.6 Luna, then Terra, Sol, GPT 5.5. If you just go below, here all Claude Opus and here you can see Claude Fable 5. Click here and just yes, confirm it. Okay. Now here you can see we have to test it, right? So let's type hi to check is that really working or not. So I just type hi and it start processing and here we got the result. Now let's test it with by creating a snake game. Okay, so go to here and just type create a snake game. As you can see it start creating, and in the meantime guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, now here you can see it is already start creating things. So guys, it will take a little bit time to create this, so let's wait. So guys, finally it's done. Now just click here on the start button and let's play it. So here you can see I am just playing this game and it was crazy because it just created in just few seconds, and that's love it. So now let me just show you how you can do the same and how you can use Claude Fable 5 completely free of cost just like me. Not only that, but you can just click here and download it and also copy the code. So watch the video till the end because you don't want to miss anything. So let's start this video without any delay. So for this part, we are going to use seo.io.com. And here you can see I am on the page. I will provide the link in the description and you don't have to download or install anything. Just click on try in browser. When you click, you will be redirected not here, but it will ask for you to just sign in first. And when you sign in, you will be redirected to here. As you can see, I have already signed in. So it provided me here. Okay, now here you can see the game I have created is in this greeting, and here you can see it really working. Now let me tell you something about it. So if you just click here on the setting part, here you can see I have free plan and I have used 55 credits. It's enough to test this model and use this model because in the previous video which I showed you like how you can use, there we get 300 credits and that is used in a single prompt, which is kinda very bad. So uh, in this part you can use it properly because it's give you enough credits to use and create something or test it. So I hope it will just benefit you and you have to go and check it out guys, because if you think Claude Fuel 5 is very expensive, you can't use it, then you have to just test it first. And if it cost you higher, then just move to medium cost like GPT-6 Luna, or you can just go with Gemini 3.5 Flash. You can use anti-gravity as well for that part. So just go and guys check it out, okay, and let me know how it works. And if you found anything more interesting in this, just let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you have any questions regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve this as soon as possible, as I'm going to use it and check is that really working daily or not. So if you have anything, comment below so everyone knows about it. Okay, so that's all about today's video and I hope you like it. So if you like it, just like our video, subscribe our channel and share the video to everyone so that we get more and more members in our channel community. Okay, so that's all about today's video guys. See you in the next video. Happy coding.